Today we got a video from Lens of Law, and the title of the video is Hero Bystander Jumps in as Deranged Man Attacks Female Officer.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back or you're gonna get tased.
Where's my stuff?
Don't put your hands behind
You.
Wow.
Get back!
Man.
On January 23rd, 2025, officers responded to reports of a man threatening to kill employees at two local businesses. The suspect fled the scene on a red bicycle, prompting a pursuit through city bike trails. When confronted by police, he grew agitated and refused to cooperate. What unfolded next quickly escalated the situation beyond a routine call.
About what?
But what's going on with you today?
I'm going home.
Well, I need to talk to you, so stop.
Get off, get your camera off of me.
You're not going anywhere.
Where am I going then?
You're staying
To
right there
jail?
because I'm talking to you.
All right, what?
What's going on with you today?
I'm telling them to f off because they had my stuff in the woods.
216, I'm out with him.
I don't really feel like telling this story right now, okay?
Like that.
I gotta go home.
No, you're not going anywhere.
Why? Who the f are you?
What's your name?
Nathan S. Thank
Okay,
you.
You're
Don't
not going anywhere.
if you do,
You're not going anywhere.
you're gonna shoot me.
No,
Do
I'm
it on
not
TV before I
I'm
spit
not
in your
gonna
face.
Wait, don't spit on me.
Don't get your hands off me. You like
You're
me or
not
something?
going
You want to grab
anywhere.
my...
You're not
I
going
got
anywhere.
a girlfriend. You're not touching me no more.
You're not going anywhere.
You can touch me all you want, but
Get off the bike.
you.
Get off the bike.
Or what?
Get off the bike.
I'm off the bike. Hold it for me.
Stand right there.
Just don't drop the bike.
Hold it for me. Oh my
Don't make me
God.
demonstrate.
Hands behind your back. Put your hands
I
behind your
can't
back.
put them behind my back. You can put them in front. Go ahead.
No, put them behind your back.
For what?
Because you're under arrest.
For what?
Because you're under arrest.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Not for under who?
Turn around and put your hands behind your back or you're gonna get tased.
Where's my stuff?
Don't put your hands behind
You.
Nah. He's got too many layers on. That ain't gonna work. Them thick ass jackets. That ain't gonna work.
Where's my stuff?
Don't put your hands behind
You.
Get back! Get on the ground now!
Fine.
Get on the road.
All right.
Get on the ground!
All right.
Yeah, you stay down. You ain't the woman, man. No, she didn't.
Yes, you did.
You got someone coming?
Yes.
Stay down.
Put your hands behind your back.
Hand me on your back. Put it behind your back. Put it behind your back. Yeah, if you don't resist. Yeah.
Typically, I don't like bystanders, but in this instance, bravo, Good Samaritan.
Keep it right there. Yeah. Don't resist.
I'm not resisting.
Yeah, you were resisting. I watched you resist her.
I'm sorry. It's because she...
No, yeah, because you didn't listen to her.
Get off me.
Got it?
I can't breathe. Please.
Tease him.
I got you. I got him. You want to get up there?
Sorry.
Reset.
Sorry, hon. I just had to demonstrate that. Are you okay? I'm not going to kill my buddy. I just...
She ain't have a chance on a one-on-one.
I'm done.
Are you hurt, man?
I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm sorry. She okay? I didn't mean that, man. This is President. I'm sorry. I promise. Okay? I wouldn't. I promise. I got a girlfriend. She's pregnant. I swear to God. Okay. All right. I thought the wood.
I'm just gonna call you. I'm transported by
Yep.
Ambo.
Oh.
22 will take a 1052 for him. He's conscious, alert, breathing.
623.
Kind of hard to tase.
Definitely 106.
We haven't searched him yet. He's not really making a whole lot of sense. So go back on your stomach, man. Actually, no. Fuck him. Go ahead. Yeah, I'm staying up.
Yeah, 122. What's going to be the chief complaint for the animal?
Yep.
Have a seat on the curb.
Yep, sit down.
All right. Sorry, guys.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Hey, whoa.
You okay?
Sorry, you guys were in or something, man. You guys beat the
122.
You gonna throw some Whopper candies at my head?
Go ahead.
Like they did in Chicago.
What's the chief complaint for the animal?
Spread your feet out real wide.
Oh, all right.
26 and 1023. It's probably just 963.
That's how you guys said you got a job a long time ago. Oh, thank God.
I can do it, Tim. I got you.
I don't got.
I mean, this is the tough part with being a lady in law enforcement. I think, and people are not gonna like my opinion. It is what it is, but hey, it's my opinion. I think that, do I think women should be in law enforcement? Yes. But I think they excel at other things more than this type of stuff. I mean, and I know you can't, well, she can only do this or she can only do that. I get it. We live in the age where, everyone, women can do the same thing that men can do. I get it. I get it. I get it. I know that's how you feel. I understand it. I'm trying to say this as nicely as I can without getting canceled, okay? Because I feel like, when you say something that is not popular, you are going to get canceled. But I got to keep it real. And I've seen the same thing in corrections. It's the same way. Ladies, they are great for certain things, but other things, no. I think ladies are great at, the paperwork side of things. I think they're great at dealing with other women. I think that even in some cases, I think they're good at dealing with men, right? In certain instances, like, because a man will just melt at a feminine voice. A man could be as mad as hell. All right. He could be ranting and raving and whatever, but a soft feminine voice will just get a man to, it'll really just compress it. But that you can't do that in that line of work like that. That's why I think, sometimes ladies are good, like in a hostile situation or a hostage situation, or, a guy, maybe talking a guy off of a ledge or something like that. I think women excel in things like that, being able to talk a man out of doing something crazy that he may not, whatever, right? Because guys are more, the compassion is there, but it's not like that. It's not there like how a woman could get it there. Just that voice, that when a woman is coming with that masculine energy, trying to meet a man at that level, is no, it ain't no. But this is a prime example of, if that guy didn't stop, that Good Samaritan didn't stop, you don't know what that guy could have did to her. You know what I mean? Because she is just outmatched completely. Just completely outmatched. Even if she was putting up a fight or whatever, she's not as strong as a man. This guy is nuts. You don't know what's going on in his mind. And she could have got her ass whooped, to be quite honest. If I was a woman in that situation or whatever, I mean, being attacked like that, man, I'm putting out, nigga, the taser didn't work. We tried it. What's the next best thing? Man, I'm getting that I'm getting that thing ready, boy. I'm a crack you in your kneecap, boy. Put a bullet right in your kneecap. You out of here, man. Shoot you in the nuts. you try to aim for the chest, but I'm shooting in the nuts. You know what I mean? just cause. But yeah, this is just a good example of like what ladies are good at versus what they're not. And I know, like I said, it's almost half of you ladies that actually watch me. Don't kill me in the comments for this. I'm just saying, all right? Just saying, don't kill me in the comments, okay?
Can you can you get a statement from him? He's a business, and when I got here, he was laying on top of him, assisting Brennan. So
Okay. Can I hit that thing? Can you give me my phone?
we're gonna take all your property, man.
All right. Can you not bring me into jail?
26 is under control. You can slow anyone else down.
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay, guys. Man, I'm okay. No. You okay? That's my girlfriend's stuff. Don't. My phone and everything. Don't touch it.
Dude, we're taking all your stuff, man.
You can't have my phone. Well, you can, but I got another one. Anyways. Can I go home?
No.
Where are we going? To jail again?
216, he's 1034.
No.
Appreciate your cooperation. Separate your feet for me.
Wait, copy. 2207. 406 car, and you'll be in front of there.
Are these shorts?
Yeah, man, they're shorts, man. It's cold, man. What the f? I'm a man.
226,
What
10-8.
the f doing, man? I need my wife. Nathan, nativity.
He was, I think, positive problems too, or he was deep.
Have a 9 out.
Honest Abe.
Yeah, see if they want to complain for DC because
Yeah.
What's your birthday? Throw them in here if you want.
Yeah, I'm Donald Trump's.
Oh, you know who this is?
TCO 1074.
We American screaming eagles.
Hold on, stop for a second. Let me just adjust your cuffs real quick.
Don't talk nothing.
Never walk. This one's good.
Don't
Ooh, my hands are freezing.
Yeah, you can. All right, have a seat.
You good?
Yeah.
Nathan was first taken to the hospital for medical clearance. While there, he became aggressive and threatened to take the officers and shoot. Once cleared, he was transported to the local county jail, where he continued making threatening remarks. Nathan faced multiple charges, including felony battery to a law enforcement officer and felony bail jumping. He pleaded no contest to both and was sentenced to a total of 3 years in prison, 2 years for the battery charge and 1 year for bail jumping. He was also given 5 years of extended supervision, ordered to pay $172.25 in restitution, and was granted eligibility for both substance abuse and incarceration programs. The remaining 10 charges were dismissed but read into the record. Please show your support by liking.
Yeah, 3 years for that. It's about right. You know, and that is definitely about right. You know, he deserves it. Yeah, but it's a tough situation, man. It's just tough. That's all I got to say. It's just tough. I'm not gonna say too much because, you know, I ranted a little bit long in this video, but yeah, I give the officer, I give her, I give her a 4. I think she did the best job that she thought that she could do, but that taser isn't gonna work. He's got too many layers on. It's not. You gotta. It's not gonna have that type of effect. But I think in the moment she thought that was the right thing to do. But Yeah, I ain't got much else to say. I'm glad you made it to the end of the video. If you enjoyed the commentary and want to help me continue to keep the channel going and improving, please consider becoming a YouTube or Patreon member. The link is in the description box. Every bit of your support helps keep the content going, and I'll catch you in the next video.